Oh! Ah! Yes! 3-star! That's a... Oh my god! And it's 4-star quality! Oh my god! It's an SSR. What if Doki was blue? Alright, and then... Wait, is that Ina? Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm a little scared of... Oh, I do not... Oh, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright. Let's do the top first. Let's... Wow! Alright, we're gonna... Let's piece this in a normal way. Guys, piece... Alright. Okay. No. Whoa. It's alright. Oh, whoa, okay. Whoa. Alright, guys. Don't worry. Don't worry, everybody. I got you guys. Don't worry, I saved the day. You didn't want to look at it, guys. You didn't want to look at it. We don't want to be saved. Don't worry. I saved the day, guys. I'm a hero.
And thank you for watching. So please subscribe. Thank you. ありがとう。